All right, so once you log into Clever and it's time to go on Arc Bookshelf, maybe you have some independent reading time to do and you have books at home, but you don't want to read one of those. You want something new, or maybe you don't have anything at home right now. So you're going to click on Arc Bookshelf and you'll see that there's all these colors right here on this side. Now, it's going to be your job to think, what level was I on last year when we went remote learning? What level was I reading books on? If you don't remember, you can reach out to me. And I know a couple of you didn't go to Woodbury last year, so you don't have one just yet. So don't worry about this right now. So let's say I was a 1R reader. I was getting books from 1R. Then I can look what we have. And I could pick something to get started on. Okay, like maybe, oh, this is a good one. It's an informational text for science and it's about animals, and that's our first unit. I could click on this and I could get started. I can turn the pages up here. Maybe I want one page on the screen at a time. Maybe I want two, whatever. Okay, so that's how you get on and that's how you use Arc Bookshelf.